Did you know the video you're watching right now, yes, this video, is content marketing? Actually, all of our YouTube videos are content marketing. Basically, all of the videos from your favorite brands are content marketing too. It's almost like a lot of businesses see the value of creating content. Crazy, right? Videos aren't the only form of content though. You can do a lot with a content marketing strategy, which you'll learn more about in this video. So what is content marketing? Content marketing is a strategy in which you research, create, publish, and promote content in order to make a connection with your ideal customer and ultimately earn more sales and revenue. At the end of the day, you want your content to build trust between you and your audience so that they come to you rather than your competitors when they need something that you sell. Here's why you need content marketing. First, content can boost the metrics that matter most to your business. You may see 5 times more leads than you would without content and get 55% more traffic to your website. Creating content benefits your other marketing channels too. Just one piece of content can be turned into several social media posts, sent out in email newsletters, and updated year after year so that it keeps ranking in search engines. While you may like content marketing for its impact on your bottom line, your audiences appreciate it for other reasons. 63% of consumers view a brand more positively if that brand creates valuable, interesting, or relevant content. On top of that, content marketing gives your business the opportunity to share your expertise, and you can become a thought leader in your industry by sharing what you know. In the B2B space, more than half of decision makers surveyed said they spend at least 1 hour per week learning from thought leadership content. People don't just like content, they rely on it. If you're convinced to launch a new or your first content marketing strategy, keep watching this video to learn basic elements of content marketing. Types of content you can create. You don't have to become a YouTube star to create content. Content describes really any textual, visual, or interactive asset you create for your business. Video is just one form of content marketing, albeit a valuable one. Your content strategy may include written content like articles or blog posts. Infographics and other graphic designs count as content too. And if you're wondering, yes, memes are content, podcasts are content too. Think about that the next time you're indulging in an audio murder mystery while winding down for the day. The main point of content marketing. While you can create many different types of content covering an endless amount of topics, the main point of your content marketing is to create what works best for the people who will most likely become your customers. If you don't approach your content marketing with an audience-centric mindset, you risk spending hours on something that won't be helpful to your business at all. But even with an audience-centric mindset, you have to keep in mind that the needs of your audience change throughout the buying process. Your content goals should change with them. What I mean is, not everything you make requires a sales pitch. You can aim to get people to sign up for your emails, read another blog post, or watch a video, depending on where they are in their individual journeys. We often use a funnel to demonstrate the customer journey. Disclaimer, a person's buying journey isn't linear. They may research, learn something they didn't know they needed, research more options, look up companies that can solve their problems, realize they need to do more research, etc. So the funnel actually looks like a mess of overlapping parts. That's much harder to demonstrate, so let's stick to this simple funnel example. Many people start their buying process in a general research and brand awareness phase. As they find more information that answers their questions or addresses their problems, they move further down this metaphorical funnel and start deciding what purchase will best meet their needs. The closer they are to the bottom of the funnel, the more ready they are to make a purchase, and the more receptive they'll be to a sales pitch. A content marketing example. So let's say I want to build a desk, but I don't know how to build things, don't know what I need, and have never really built anything, ever. Basically, I'm probably better off buying a pre-made desk, but I'm stubborn. So I Google how to build a desk. I see a guide from Home Depot in the search results. There's a video, and they have written steps, and I can add the supplies I need to my cart. And since they figure the desk is for my office, they have other guides about perfecting my office setup. Hello, thoughtful content strategy. I may just buy everything right now, or I may go back to the search results and look up the best places to buy lumber. Maybe I'll read through other tutorials and weigh my options. What you should take from this example, though, is the importance of creating content that answers all of your audience's questions. You want to be their trusted guide when they need help, and you can be with a content marketing strategy. If you feel inspired to craft your next or first piece of content, hit the subscribe button on this video and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest digital marketing insights. Want our content sent to your email twice per month? Subscribe to Revenue Weekly for email newsletters packed with tips, tricks, and insights that you can use to grow your business. See you later, content creators.